Namaste students, today I am going to teach you subject mathematics part 2. In mathematics part 2 we will study some examples from chapter number 1, similarity. Here example number 1, in a given figure PM is equal to 10 centimeter, area of triangle PQS is equal to 100 square centimeter, area of triangle QRS is equal to 110 square centimeter. Then find NR. See this figure. In this figure, triangle PQS and triangle QRS have equal base QS and different height PM and NR or RN. Here area of triangle PQS divided by area of triangle QRS is equal to PM divided by NR, triangles having common base, and therefore 100 divided by 110 is equal to 10 divided by NR. Therefore NR is equal to 10 multiplied by 110 divided by 100 is equal to 11 centimeter. Value or length of NR is equal to 11 centimeter. Example number 2. In quadrilateral ABCD, segment AD is parallel to segment BC, diagonal AC and diagonal BD intersect each other in point P, then show that AP divided by PD is equal to PC divided by BP. Observe this figure. Solution. Here in the figure, segment AD is a parallel to segment BC. Statement number 1, segment AD is parallel to segment BC because that is given. Now in triangle APD and triangle CPB, APD and another triangle CPB. Statement number 2, angle PAD is congruent to angle PCB, PAD, this angle PAD, another triangle angle PCB, PCB, pair of alternate angles. Statement number 3, angle PDA is congruent to angle PBC, PDA, this angle PDA, and another angle PBC. Both angles are congruent by pair of alternate angles. Therefore triangle APD is similar to triangle CPB. AA similarity test. Therefore AP divided by PC is equal to PD divided by PB, PD divided by PB is equal to AD divided by CB, AD divided by CB, and therefore AP divided by PD is equal to PC divided by BP, PC divided by BP. Example number 3. In figure, the vertices of square DEFG are on the side of triangle ABC. Angle A is equal to 90 degree. Then prove that D square is equal to BD multiplied by EC. Hint: show that triangle GBD is similar to triangle CFE. Use GD is equal to FE is equal to DE. That is, the hint is given. See this figure. Quadrilateral GDEF is a square, that is given. Statement number 1, quadrilateral DEFG is a square. Reason that is given. ZD is equal to DE. This ZD is equal to DE is equal to EF is equal to FG. Why? Sides of square. Now segment ZF is parallel to segment DE. ZF is parallel to segment DE, here DE, and segment ZD. The ZD is parallel also to segment EFE. Opposite sides of square are parallel to each other. Opposite sides of square. Now in triangle AZF, in triangle AZF, another triangle DBZ, Statement number 1, angle AZF is congruent to angle ZBD, pair of corresponding angles or corresponding angles. Statement number 2, angle GAF is congruent to angle BDG, 90-degree angles. Statement number 3, triangle AZF similar to triangle DBZ by AA similarity test. Now in triangle AZF and another triangle EFC. Statement number 4, angle AFZ, this angle AFZ is congruent to angle ECF, corresponding angles. Statement number 5, angle GAF is congruent to angle FEC, 90-degree angles. And therefore triangle AZF is similar to triangle EFC by AA similarity test. Therefore triangle DBZ is similar to triangle EFC from 3 and 6. Therefore this DB divided by EF is equal to DZ divided by EC. DZ multiplied by EF is equal to BD multiplied by AC. But DZ and EF, here DZ, here DZ and EF is equal to D, and therefore we can replace this DZ and EF by D, and therefore D square is equal to BD multiplied by EC. Thanks for watching this video.